Hello kids, how are you? Today we will learn 1 to 10. 1 apple. 2 1 2 2 balls. 3 1 2 3 3 bananas. 4 1 2 3 4 4 flowers. 5 1 2 3 4 5 5 umbrellas. 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 pen. 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 birds. 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 orange. 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 kites. 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 pineapple.